So one of the things that can add some pop or can draw the eye of someone when you're talking about graphic design or use in social media is movement, whether it's animation or video. We learned from the articles this week that the text versus images, that there are certain lines where it can be too busy or too much, but a little bit of animation or movement can attract someone, especially as they're scrolling through on their specific platforms. So there's several ways to do that inside Canva. Here we're still on this game day post that I've created. So up here in the top left, and this is true of all of your products that we've worked on so far, whether it's infographics or their headers or whatever it happens to be, you just have to think about the format or the allowable file format of where you're going to put it. For example, a Google Classroom header has to be an image, but on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, those can be video files. So we're going to go ahead and just click Animate here, and I can click on specific elements, okay, or the entire page. So when I click, again, we'll go back to do that. I'll get out of here. So when I'm clicked on the image itself, okay, I can click on Animate, and I've got photo animations, I have page animations, or I can switch to specific elements that are there. So when I come in here again, I can go to Animate, and let's say, for example, I want to animate this specific photo. You see here, I'll do Rise, or you can check Pan. You can see then that that specific photo is coming in. You can also do that with each of the elements by clicking on the elements. So here I'm on elements, and I can go ahead and I can get that as well with the elements. I have to get out of here quickly and go back into the project. There we go. So I can go ahead and I can animate, and I can click on specific things that are part of that. I've got that photo element animation, which is here on the top. Let's say I want to have it come down, or maybe I want to have it tumble in, okay, or photo rise up. So there's lots of choices. Additionally, I can do that for the entire page where all of the elements come in, which is maybe something you've seen more, something like this. So this one I really like. Notice it said the element animations have been replaced. So the entire page animation takes over any single element animation that you have. You can kind of hover there and see or check those out. So again, you see on the top here, page animations animates everything, okay? Or the photo animation is where you can pick specific elements. So let's say I like this one. I'm going to select this one. That's good. Now when I'm ready to share, now the difference is here when I'm ready to share, I can go ahead and I can share directly to social media if I've got it connected, or if I'm going to download this. Notice now that because it is a video or things are movement, it's a video file, not necessarily an image file like a JPEG. So now you are going to get a video file that is able to upload to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is that takes those. So when you start putting movement or animations in, the type of file is going to be different when you download. Thanks.